Hi my friends, so I'm back. I have another book for you guys. This one starts out a little bit black and white, but then it soon gains a lot of color. There's a student in this book and she is an awesome artist and I want to share it with you guys. It's called Sky Color. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint, and she even had her very own art gallery. Not all her art hung in a gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She painted posters to share ideas she believed in. This one says, "Save the ocean." At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. So a mural, this word right here, is a painting that's done on a really, really large wall. We have a lot of murals done around our campus and even in our cafeteria. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talked and sketched. Together, they made a great big drawing. Then they marched to the library. "I'll paint a fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean," Marisol shouted. "I'll paint the sky." Marisol rummaged through the box of paint, but could not find any blue. "How am I going to make the sky without blue paint?" I want you to really pay attention right now because look at most of all of these pictures of the characters are black and white, but the paint is a little bit colorful. All right, so right now she can't find the blue paint. Uh-oh, what's she gonna do? The bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering, All the way home, she stared out the window. The sun lowered closer to the horizon. There's the bus down there. Later, at home, Marisol watched day turn into night. Notice lots of color starting to happen. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. Look at this picture. Most of it's in black and white, but all of her paintings are in color. She drifted through the sky, swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. I wonder why she'd be smiling, because the sky's not blue. At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make an altogether new color. Marisol then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said, "that is sky color." Remember, she could not find the blue to paint a blue sky, so let's see what she used to paint a sky. Wow. It's just like her dream. Lots of different colors, even colors that she created by mixing other colors. All right, I think that's a pretty awesome book. If you have some paint at home, you guys can try and go paint a big mural on some paper like she did. If you don't have paint at home, it's really easy to make it. You can just use some flour, salt, water, and food coloring. I'll actually share the recipe to make your own paint down in the description area below. So you guys can make your own paint if you don't have any at home. If you don't have paint brushes, guess what? That's okay, because you can paint with your fingers. All right, so I hope you guys can go make your paint. Remember to look down below and I will include how to make your own paint so that way you can paint a beautiful sky mural just like Marisol. All right, I'll see you guys later.